This is also for you guys, huh?
And this way to mommy, bring it upstairs. Or mommy, you do it for yourself.
Pagkatapos,
Put in the tray. Lagay ng ice cream sa gilid. Sa gitna. Sa kanya na yung anong design ng ice cream.
masarap na dessert, guys.
Show it to mommy, baby. Mommy will be happy.
Because she's French. Can you get the ice cream ready?
Remove it. Remove it.
Why is it so...
You will bring it upstairs and show it to mommy? Huh?
Yes.
Make it ready for you.
Oh my god, this is so unhealthy.
Oh, ang ganda, guys. Oh, toasted bread and banana and then cranberry. Yes?
Yeah.
And then vanilla ice cream.
Very unhealthy.